Can you sign this real quick? It's just a wide favor.
I heard it so clear.
Is he moving?
No, he's not moving. He's down there.
520.
I didn't know that was you.
Bridget Pleasant Valley
Yeah,
is
just hang on.
Volkswagen. It's this is going to be a regular stop. 2 lane changes, no signal following too closely at 65 miles per hour. I'll be going to court on this
What's
one,
that?
I think. Okay.
What's that, to open? Go ahead.
Is there a husky in that vehicle?
Yeah, send me another unit.
Okay, I just have the animal warden on the way. 550. Okay. Assist 06 4407 Kenmore. And gonna have the animal warden on the way for this complaint.
Here, your car's open. Go ahead, open it.
Huh?
So go ahead and open it.
See?
06 should be advised, the animal warden is advising that that animal has been declared dangerous.
Oh, okay. Just, here, you gotta get your dog, hon. That animal's dangerous, kid. I'm not sure it's alive still.
No.
You have to, the animal warden's on their way here.
I'll be there in a couple minutes.
Okay, allegedly it's been in the car all night. Okay.
You guys have her on file. Let's have the other address.
He's gotta be. I can't imagine. If it's been in there all night, it's in the floorboard on this side. It's behind the driver's seat.
He's dead, I want her fucking arrested. No, I wasn't my fault.
Right,
Car was running and it died.
here, come back here with me, okay?
Hang on.
She's gonna take
I
it.
need somebody to... Oh, Billy was here. Arrest her, the damn dog's dead.
All right, come here. You're being detained right now, okay?
No, they're arresting me, Phil.
Come here. Stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up.
I gotta have no underwear on
Okay,
me.
stand up.
My foot, look.
Just stand up.
Ooh.
Okay, just stay right there.
Hold on. It hurts.
What'd you step on?
Something, I don't know.
Okay. All right, relax. All right, hang up the phone.
Phil, they're arresting me.
Hang up the
Thank
phone.
you. Thank you.
Hang up the phone.
Please.
Okay.
Karma.
Come on. Hang the
Karma.
phone up.
And why is...
All right.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Come on.
Please don't grab me like that.
Okay. Hey, relax.
Please don't grab me like that.
Stop her.
Get out of here before I fucking kill you!
Okay.
Really? She just said that to me. I'm stabbing in my foot.
Stop.
It hurts. I'm not running, dude. I'm not a bad person. Can you please stop hurting me?
Come on.
You're hurting me. You on my foot. You're hurting me,
Stop. I'm gonna put you in fucking
I'm not
handcuffs.
trying to run, dude. I don't have shoes on.
They're gonna come in the back of this car.
9460
Why are you being mean?
Yeah, me and you.
You are. You act like I'm a criminal.
Just killed your partner. Don't
No, I didn't.
know what happened.
I was waiting for Phil and my battery died. Here.
You have anything on you?
No.
Sit in the car.
I have no underwear.
you have anything on you?
Ow.
Is there any females working at all?